Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Mercy and this is Mercy's Small Kitchen. So today we're going to cook the most easiest, the simplest meal ever. Yes, it's egg omelette and our ingredients are onions, pili pili hoho or bell pepper, 4 eggs and turmeric, and also salt. That's all we need, guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is to break our eggs, and it's always advisable to break your eggs separately, in separate bowls, in case there is one egg that is spoiled. At least it won't affect the other eggs. After that, beat the eggs well. Then add I'm going to add my turmeric, just a bit of it to add some taste, to give us that amazing flavor and also that appealing color, the yellow color. Just a bit of it. Then I'm also going to add some bell pepper, and ensure that you cut your bell pepper into very small pieces. Because we're not going to cook them like separately. We're going to mix them in the eggs, so make sure that you've cut them into very small pieces. Also your onions, ensure that you chop them into very, very small pieces. Then after that, just mix them well. Beat them at least for like 30 seconds. Of course you're not going to time that. And we're also going to add some salt, just a pinch of salt, to add some flavor into our eggs. Just like that. That's all the ingredients that we need. Just imagine, guys. And here we have our mixture, our eggs, whatever egg mixture, and that's all we need. So the next thing, we're going to add just some little cooking oil into our cooking pan and let it heat for a minute or so. Then you can pour your eggs into your pan and let them cook well. At least give it some time to dry up, the top part. Let it dry up, and you can turn it over and let it cook maybe for a minute. Then that's all. Your egg is ready, your omelette is ready. So you can serve it the way you want. You can either choose to serve it with juice, you can either choose to serve it with tea, you can either choose to eat it like that. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you agree with me that this is the simplest recipe ever, please drop a comment and give this video a like. Also, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I've served mine with tomato rose flower salad. You can also try it out. Maybe I'll do a video on how to make it. See you next time. Bye.